In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a profit and loss statement in Zoho Books step by step. The profit and loss statement, also called the P&L or income statement, is one of the most important financial reports for any business because it shows how much money your business is making, how much you're spending, and whether you're actually profitable during a specific period of time. The great thing about Zoho Books is that it automatically generates this report as you record sales, expenses, invoices, and bills, so you don't need to calculate everything manually. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly where to find the report, how to generate it, and how to adjust the date range so you can analyze your business performance quickly. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Zoho Books tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right into the screen and get started. First, log into your Zoho Books account. Once you are inside your Zoho Books dashboard, look at the left side navigation menu. This menu is where you'll find access to all the major features in Zoho Books, like sales, purchases, banking, reports, and more. To generate a profit and loss statement, you'll need to go to the Reporting section. On the left sidebar, click on Reports. As soon as you click Reports, Zoho Books will open the Reports dashboard, which contains multiple categories of financial reports that help you analyze your business performance. These include sales reports, receivable reports, payable reports, inventory reports, and business overview reports. The report we are looking for is located inside the Business Overview section. Scroll through the Reports page until you see the section labeled Business Overview. Under this section, you will find several important financial reports, such as profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. These are the core financial reports that most businesses use to understand their financial health. Now click on Profit and Loss. As soon as you select it, Zoho Books will open the Profit and Loss report page. This report summarizes your revenues, costs, and expenses based on the transactions recorded in your Zoho Books account. At the top of the report page, you'll see a Date Range dropdown. This option allows you to choose the specific period you want the report to cover. For example, you can select this month if you want to see the profit and loss for the current month, this fiscal year if you want to analyze the entire financial year, or last month if you want to review the previous month's performance. You can also choose Custom if you want to manually select specific start and end dates for your report. Selecting the right date range is important because it allows you to analyze financial performance during the exact time period you want to evaluate. Once you choose the date range, simply click Run Report. Zoho Books will instantly generate the profit and loss statement based on all the income and expense transactions recorded in the system. On the report, you'll typically see sections like income, cost of goods sold, operating expenses, and the final net profit or net loss for the selected period. This makes it very easy to understand whether your business is making money or losing money. You can also scroll through the report to see a detailed breakdown of each income source and expense category. This helps you identify where most of your revenue is coming from and where most of your expenses are going. Many business owners use this report regularly to track profitability, control spending, and make better financial decisions. Another useful thing about Zoho Books reports is that you can customize them further. For example, you can adjust filters, change the reporting period, or export the report if you need to share it with your accountant, business partners, or stakeholders. Most businesses review their profit and loss statement monthly or quarterly to monitor financial performance and ensure everything is on track. And that's exactly how you create a profit and loss statement in Zoho Books. As you record more transactions like invoices, bills, and expenses, this report will automatically update to reflect your latest financial data. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Zoho Books tutorials, accounting guides, and business software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.